Hello, Mr. Money here. Today we are going to talk about Fiverr. 5 top skills that you can do on Fiverr and they don't require you to know anything and they're less competitive. We are going to start from the one that is commonly known by people, then continue. Make sure to watch the video up to the end. Before we go to the websites, I want to request you to help by subscribing to this channel, like the video, comment, so that you'll be supporting me. I'll be very happy if you do that for me. Number one is a skill called this one here. There's one that is called background remover here. So background removing is not something very big. People earn a lot of money here, from $5 up to even 50. You see here this person here. If I'm to click on this person here, new, you're going to see that this person is going to charge you $20 for just a basic, one day delivery, unlimited reversals, unlimited images, high resolution, commercial use. Standard is 50, premium is 80. So how do you do this? You go to a platform I was teaching people in my video. Just go to my videos. I teach people how to make money online with simple steps, beginner level. So when you come to Canva here and then you go to just anything, let's say Facebook, I'm going to just show you how you can remove a photo on Canva and a background on Canva without even so let me just go to my uploads and then I'm going to go to this one here. I'm going to make this one detach. So let me just make it big like that. I'll make it small. So that's perfect. So I want to remove this background from this guy here. So what do? I just click on the image, go to edit image, then I go to remove background. Then I wait for some minutes. Seconds, and you're going to see the magic that Canva is going to do for you. Just a minute. It's struggling, but it will do the good job for you. You're just seated, you're just looking at the thing. So there you go. This one is stabilizing. It's going to be perfect. Just wait for it. So after you see that, so after you've done the remover like this, you can change the background to anything you like, something that is fitting you. But also you can just download without a background. Go to share, download. Go to download, you select the option of PNG. There are so many photos in here. You see this? People just go to Canva and they remove, and they charge you a lot of money. 10, 5. So for you specifically, I would advise you start with 5 because you're beginner to this. So you just download this photo as a PNG, then you give it to, you say here that transparent background, then you download. So you give the file to a client that has purchased your product. So that is it. Another one is logo design. Logo design is the same. We are going to use Canva again, but let's see. So many people are doing this. Logos. See, I'll create Japanese style logo. For logo design, come to Canva, then press design. Here, come to logos, and then when it loads, you're going to see that you're just going to do something within 2 minutes. I'll be ready. The logo will be ready for you. So when it loads like this, you see on the side here, go around and select the one that you like best. For example, let me select this one. I'll have this one here. So it loads something like this. With this you can customize anything to fit you. See that? Change the colors to white, which is not nice. Put it black. Change the words to MTH, anything like then this one you can download this as a PNG, as JPEG image through share, download, transparent or not, choose the type you want here, PDFs, SVG, anything, just download it, then you can forward it to your client. That's how easy it is. With this one also, I advise you to start with $5, then you go ahead so that you gain the confidence and the competition outside there. When people are offering 20, for you put like 10 so that you can get a chance of winning them. The other one is called thumbnail design for YouTube thumbnails. So when you go here, you see these people here, see this, they're designing from $5 to even $25. This is something you can do every day. See this, like this is awesome, very awesome. So how do you do this? Go to Canva, design again, go to thumbnails. When you're on thumbnail, you will do everything within minutes, 5 minutes, you're done with one. Go to your right, choose this one here, get your own design like this one here, change the photo to black, okay, black, blue. Okay, so this one you can customize it to your own liking to fit you, but I wouldn't advise that. I will just go back to the top one here, then this one I'm going to shift my image now, which is nice. Just drag and drop your image there, very simple, my friends. Where are we here? So drag and drop this image there, and you see that you adjust it a little. There you go. So you see, it's very, 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 very easy. So that's how you do it. I'm probably going to use this one here. So love it. That is the thing, logo design. Then background removing is very easy. Then translation. When you go again to translation, when you search for translation here, you see that people are doing this. I'm going to show you how you can translate. You don't need to know Luganda, you don't need to know English, you don't need to know French to English, Spanish. So go to Google. Google is a very powerful tool. Just type Google Translate. So here you choose the language you want to, then translate it here. So I wish I could have content I show you. So the languages are so many here, very, very many. You can even search, yeah, and you can start from English to the language you want, and you just copy this to a PDF, copy this to a Word document, save it, forward it to your client, and that's how easy it is. Then the other one is website report for the client. Website report. Website report. So here, you just say SEO report, like this, SEO audit. You see this $125, $5, $10. For you, you can even start with 20, 60, 20, all these people. So just create a gig here and say you can provide this. You don't need to know how to do SEO. You don't need to be a clerk. So let me show you how to do it. Get any website, for example. Let's pick any. Let me just put soft. Let me take this one, soft cloud. You go to a website called gtmetrics.com. looks like this. Sign up is free. You can just do any of this. Just let's say go home. This is how it looks on their home. Paste your link here. Analyze. Wait. So the good thing about SEO is going to give a client an idea how their website looks like with SEO, if it's fast or if it's slow, if they need to get someone to work on it as fast as possible, if it's working, if it is really very fast. That is how they know. They read the SEO. So with this one, this website is going to generate for you a report around 6, 8 pages, 15 pages that you can just download freely. Then you forward it to your client directly. So when it's done like this, you see this one, the report is like this. So these are a few pages. So let's just go and download it. You see, you don't need the full version that is premium. Just a free one. When you download this, they'll give a PDF file. See this? Download this. So let's see how the report looks like. This is our report. This is how it looks, 5 pages. So you don't even know how to read this. Oh, no, whatever this is. They will know it. They will know it. Definitely. All this crap, all this. They will know it themselves. So this is the website report. Very easy. Download this, forward it to your client with email. Work done. That is it for you. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Subscribe.